Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to set up an Exodus wallet. First, navigate to the official Exodus website to download the application. It's crucial to ensure you are on the correct site to avoid fraudulent versions. Once downloaded, proceed with the installation process on your computer or mobile device. This initial step is vital for securing your digital assets from the start. After installing, open the Exodus application. Your wallet is automatically generated upon the first launch, making the initial setup very straightforward. Exodus prioritizes ease of use. Next, we'll focus on securing your new wallet. This involves understanding and backing up your recovery phrase, which is a critical step for protecting your funds against loss or device failure. Now, let's secure your wallet by backing up your recovery phrase. Navigate to the backup section in your Exodus settings. You'll see a 12-word phrase. Write it down precisely, paying close attention to spelling and order. This phrase is your master key, so store it in a safe, offline place, like a fireproof safe, away from your device. Never share it with anyone. With your wallet set up and secured, you're ready to fund it. To receive cryptocurrency, simply copy your wallet address for the desired asset and send funds to it. Exodus also offers an integrated exchange, allowing you to swap between different cryptocurrencies directly within the app. You can easily manage your portfolio, track asset performance, and explore various features for a seamless experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.